And for the shape page also currently we have finished it. And for the categories, and if we click on these categories, the product must be shown. Okay, so for now what we can do is simply we can do, let us go. Okay, let us view one thing. What was it? Categories. Let us go to it, categories page, and here what we can have is child sofa row containers. So I think if we click on here, we must be routed to page. Okay. Okay, after this what we can do, let me just, I think, yeah, same as the product details. Okay, for now, but we cannot have this. So let me have this categories details dot. So here in the product related to the categories only will be shown. So stateful categories details. Okay, I think categories product details will be fine. So let me just remove this file, and categories product details. I think categories product page might be fine. Yeah, yeah, this one suits better. And stateful categories product pages. This one seems to be nice. Scaffold, and in the categories page, I think we have this. Yeah, this one seems to be. Let me. I think I have one thing. Okay, not like this. Edit profile. Yeah, this a bar. This a bar will fit it more. Okay, so scaffold, build text. Let me remove this. Okay, and we don't need this. Let us have this at first categories product page. Okay, so after this body, and it will be primary padding, and here it will be child. Okay, so I think child, yeah, and in here column children. So in the categories, I think we have the product. So let me view it. Okay, best sellings, payment, orders, checkout, tracking order. Okay, okay, okay. Best sellings, product details, profile saved, categories login. So will be shown in the categories page. Okay, so for this sofa like this, if I click on here sofa, so the product related to it will be sofa, like categories sofa. So for this, what we can do is, I think we have built the same UI for, maybe, I think we have built the same UI for profile, and maybe where was it? Yeah, I think it was in, yeah, best selling. So same, same. Okay, so let us just have this. Okay, I think we need to this make this some changes. Okay, so here in the make this home page. I think we just need to 60. Let us just reload the application. I think it was in home page. Okay. Okay, 60, and let us have 75. Okay, let us have 76. Reload. Yeah, this seems to be fine. Now, what we can do is like in the best sellings, also best selling. Where was it? Yeah, best sellings. Okay, okay, and 300 not for 290. I think 290 can be the best. Okay, let me just click on CL. Okay, 290 also exceeds 280. 280 also seems to be much. 270. Okay, then I think 276 is the best. So now we will need the UI like this. So we can simply copy this code. We can copy this code and paste it in the, where was it? Categories product page. So children. Okay, product card. string product card access. I think we can create the widget for it. Okay, so based on this, maybe we can build a product card. I think that might be the case. Okay, let me see if we can do it. Widgets profile. Okay, let us just have widgets here. Okay, widgets, and let us have a file build product card dot dart. Okay, then I think it might be build grid product card dot dart. Yeah, this seems to be nice because if we have this, because if we have to show like this two type of product at once, then we can do like this. So widget doesn't seem to be nice. Okay, not private. It will be public. Now build grid product card. So let us remove this. Okay, in the app bar, build product card. Common image dot I product 7. Okay, so product 8. And I think in this best sellings also we can do like that. Okay, so let me view if we can do it. Where is best sellings? Best selling page. So let me just do it. Build product card and build product card. And let us just view, import it, reload the application. Yeah, no issue here. So no issue here. Let us go to this uh, categories. So if I click on these categories, I must be routed to where I must be routed to categories details. Okay, so for this, let me just cancel all of this file categories product, and we have to go to route. Sorry, and route name. So copy our categories detail. So categories detail, and in the routes, copy this details categories details. Yeah, product page. Yes, sorry. Our categories product. This seems to be nice. So our categories product. Okay, so where we categories products and categories page. So if here we click on this equal navigator dot up context dot push name route name dot r categories product. Yeah, here is push named. Okay, so let me reload the application. Okay, so let us view how it will work. Okay, so we click on this container. So yeah, this is shown. Now we have to just imply, I think, let me view you one thing. Okay, so we have to use categories products. In here we have to use single side scroll view. Okay, single side. Yeah, this one. Now reload the application. So yeah, now no issue at all. So we have finished this categories product. Now we have to make the UI for this. Now which one? We have finished it. Finished it for it. I think now we have to make this UI for which one? Yeah, this cart screen. And after this checkout and this tracking order. Okay, so I think what we can do is, so after we finish this static UI, then we will make this UI dynamic. Okay, so we have to make this cart screen. So for now, let us go to categories. Okay, I think inside the product we can have this cart screen. Okay, cart page. So cart page dot stateless currently and cart page scaffold as it is now. Now scaffold. Okay, so let me view one thing. Profile page. We don't have here in the pages. I think we have this bar section. Okay, sorry. Okay, cart page. Let me just remove this and import it. After this, body, primary, padding, and child will be column, and the children. Uh, what we have is this image. Okay, so I think we have made this type of UI before also. I think where was it? Let me just view it. Okay. Yeah, I think it was for the categories. Like it was this type of categories. Okay, so we can make this UI similar. Let me just go to one thing. Okay, here is equal to. We have to remove this. We have to go to this categories. Okay, categories page. So let me just copy this whole body. Okay, I think this seems to be fine. And not this whole page. This list view dot separated. Okay, categories. We don't need this. Remove this, edit profile, remove this, card page, children list view dot separated. Okay, now remove this, scaffold. Okay, now let me just do one thing. Okay, now, yeah, okay, so after this, what we can do is like what is in the UI. So let me do one thing, list view dot separated. We don't need this list view dot separated. I think we can just remove this widget. Oh, sorry. I think we just can have this container data. Okay, container data. Okay, copy this list view dot separated container value. Okay, container. Okay, after this, it will be it and same for it. Okay, row. At first, we will have this beginning this, and remove this part of code, and let us just view the UI. Okay, so I think also we have to make changes in the route again. Okay, so route name. Okay, cart. Sorry, and let us just copy this. Cons are cart cart cart. So copy this as cart page, import it. So now I think in the home pages, yeah, I think it was in the home page. So when you click on this icon button, this above basket icon button, then we move to cart page. Okay, so in the home page, we'll fix this. You see later. Okay, so currently, where is home page? Yeah, home page, home page. Yeah, home page. At first, here we have icon button, shopping basket. Yeah, here navigator dot up context dot push named, sorry, push name route name dot r cart. Okay, so just reload the application. So now click on this basket. Okay, so here you can see we have fixed this. Now let us just make the UI like I think we have. Let me view one thing. Okay, so this makes us easier to look on it. Product one, copy this, reload the application. So, 23. Okay, so cross axis alignment. It align the content that is in the horizontal form. Okay, so alignment dot start. Oh, sorry, here we have it is here. Start. Okay, so here you can see if we it is in the row the cross axis alignment is for vertical data. Okay, so here we have to start. Okay, so now the image at the left side. So now here we can have spacing up like minimum of F15.0 we can have spacing of this, and here we have to make this image rounded. Okay, clip our red, and let us have this border radius. Copy, paste. So the image is rounded. Now here what we can have is, so in the UI wooden bed. So I think it was in the somewhere where we made this UI. I think this type of UI was in the my orders. I think, yeah, in the my orders this type of UI was present. Okay, so I think we can simply copy that code also. I think, okay. So for now we can only, so now we will go to my orders page, and in here where was it? Column, yeah, column. Copy this content. Cart page. Remove this. Now in here we have to make this column. Okay. So main axis. I think we don't need now this children. Okay. Okay. Let me just reload the application. So let us go to this cart page. Cart page. Okay. So it has been shown now. I think now after this, what we can do is, so we have this button. Okay. So for this, what we can have is container. Okay. Yeah. So container. I think. Let me just do one thing. Column. This column is fixed. After this. Okay. I think inside this same column we can have this. Okay. Yeah. This seems to be right. I think in here this column is not needed. Let me just remove this column. So I think we can have this. Okay, let me reload the application. Okay, so let have here access alignment dot start. Now in here what we can have is row children, and we can have, I think, container. Yes. What is being shown? Container, and in the child we can have children, and inside the children what we must have is like this icon button. Okay, so let me just have icon button on pressed, and the icons dot, so minus, or was it called, what is it called, minimize. Yeah, minimize. Okay, now after this add, after this here we have build. So let me just have this body small text, and we can have the for now text for. Okay, so container, and let it height be 100, width be 150. Okay, and after this decoration box decoration color colors dot green. Okay, so for now light green, let's say, and border, sorry, radius border radius dot circular 10.0. Okay, so let me just reload the application. Okay, so I think that might not be the case. Okay, so, oh sorry, it is too much. So let us just have it 50, and here I think in the row also, axis alignment, dot center. Okay, so let's just have it reload the application. Okay, then cross axis. I think it is not minimized. Am I minimize up? I think the UI has been just going to, so So I think width also seems to be much. Okay, so let's say it width is 100. Okay, I think it's 120 will be fine. And let us have this in the row. We have this container. After this container, we have icon button, same as it is. Then icons dot delete color co common color dot c red color. Okay, so now after this, what we have is, yeah, comma left. Let me reload the application. Okay, I think this seems to be nice. And let us make the size of 40. Yeah, this seems nice. Now in the UI, what we have this divider. Then after this subtotal delivery checkout. So let me do one thing. After this, what we can have is, let me just collapse this row, then this column, then this container. So we have collapsed this container. Now after here, spacing the 10.0 and divider color, common color dot c black color width be, sorry, height be 1.0. Now after this, we have row children. Then what was it here? Like column. I think, yeah, this much. Okay, we have copy this children. Okay, then subtotal. Subtotal. Then it is $300.0 in here. Main axis alignment dot space building. So let us view the UI. Okay, comma this. Yeah, this seems nice. I think this can be done body medium. So let us view it. Yeah, I think this seems to be much better. So after this, I'll copy this same code. Okay, and paste, and again paste. Okay, then here we have delivery charge. Okay, what we can do here is shipping or delivery. It's delivery charge. Let us have this $30, and let us have this total. Okay, so total 330. Row is finished, and primary elevated button name is checkout. And after this, on pressed, okay, okay, okay. Reload. Yeah, this seems to be nice. Okay, I think the let us have one thing. I think the cross axis alignment. Okay, here. Okay, this seems nice. Let us in this one thing. Okay, so this seems to be nice. Now let us have so much specific here. Okay, so let us have size box height 40. 40 here. So let's see what the changes will be seen here. Okay, this seems to be nice. And I think, okay, so no, now we have finished the UI for this cart page. Okay, so if we click on checkout page, then we must be routed to where? I think we must be routed to this checkout page. Okay, checkout. I think we can write here, not verify. Let's check out. And I think we have here same repeated code. Okay, the code is repeated. So let me just do one thing. Build build price text. So here we have required text. So required string text one, required string text text 2. Okay, then after this return. Okay, let us have here context. So this seems to be the case here. Okay, reload. Okay, then after this, so return row, and I think we can do here one thing. Yeah, in here we can simply do text 1, and in here text 2. So build price text. Okay, so okay, build price text context in the text 1, shop total in the text 2. The text 2, what was it? Dollar 300. Okay, so 300.0. So we can remove this part. Again, copy this same code, copy this same, and the delivery charge. Okay, so and in here let it be $30. Again, copy same code, remove this code also, and in here it is total, and let it be 330. Okay, so remove this code also. So here you can see we have reduced the duplicated code. Okay, so we have removed unwanted code and make it dynamic. So now, yeah, here you can see no changes. So I think this is the complete UI for this cart page. Okay, so if now after we click on this checkout page, we must go to checkout page. Okay, so the UI for this checkout page is like this. Okay, so we will make it the UI for it now.